Crop production and management. Learning about cultivation of crop and several activities undertaken by farmer in crops production and its management. Basic practice of crops production. Cultivation of crops involves several activities undertaken by farmer over a period of time. These activities are referred to as agricultural properties. Preparation of soil, sowing, adding manure and fertilizer, irrigation, protection from weeds, harvesting or storage. Preparation of soil. The preparation of soil is the first step before growing a crop. One of the most important tasks in agriculture is to turn the soil and lose it. This allows the roots of deeps in the soil. Thus, loosen the soil then helps the growth of the earthworm and microbes. These organisms are friends of farmers since they further turns the loosened and soil and add humus to it. The process is loses and turning of soil is to called treading and pulling. Pulling are made of wood of iron. Before pulling, soil need watering. The watering field maybe have the big field of club which have to be broken in with a plank. Agriculture implement. Before sowing the seeds, it is necessary to break soil in the size of grain to get better yield. This is done by the help of various tools. The main tool used for irrigation for the purpose plug, hoe and cultivator. Plug. It is being used with ancient time, pulling the soil, adding fertilizer to the crop, removing the weeds, skimming off as horse, camels, etc. How? It is simple tool which is used for removing weeds and for losing the soil. It has long and rod of wood or iron. A strong braid and bent plate of iron is fixed at the one end and works like a blade. Animal put it. Cultivator. A tractor driver cultivator does nowadays pulling. The use of cultivators save labor and time. Sowing is the most important part of the crop production. Before sowing, good quality seed are selected. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. Activity. Separating good seeds for damaged ones. Take a beaker and fill it half of water. Put a handful of grains, seeds and still wait. You will see some of the seeds start floating off the water. Damaged seeds become hollow and float. Good seeds settle down. This is a good method for separating good, healthy seeds from the damaged one. Before sowing, let us study about the tools used for sowing seeds. Traditional tools. The tool used traditionally for sowing seed is shaped like a funnel. These seeds are filled into the funnel and they pass through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp end. These ends pipe in the soil and place it there. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractor. Nowadays, so it is ensure that the soil covers seeds after sowing. They prevent damage caused by wind. And this is that An appropriate distance between the seeds is important to avoid overdrawing of plants. This allows plants to get sufficient sunlight, nutrition, water from soil. Adding manure and fertilizer, the substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrition for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizer. Manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposing of plant or animal wastes. Fertilizer are chemically substances which are rich in nitrogen. Fertilizer are production of in factories some of urea, amino sulfate, and sulfur phosphate. Difference between fertilizer and manure. A fertilizer is an inorganic salt. Manure is an natural substance obtained by the decomposing of cattle dung, human waste, and plant resistance. A fertilizer is prepared in factories. Manure can be prepared in field. A fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. Manure provide a lot of humus to the soil. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrition like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrition. Advantage of manure. An organic manure is considered better than a fertilizer. This is because it enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porox due to which exchange of gases become easy. It increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil. Inorganic. A living being needs water to live. Water is important for the preparing growth and development of flowers, fruits, seeds of plants. The plant roots absorb water along with the is that where we was? Nutrients dissolve in water. Okay. The maintain the moisture of the soil for health crops growth. Formal watering the field. The supply of water to crops at different intervals is called irrigation. This is the type how they irrigate the field: well, lake, tube well, pond, river, canal. Traditional method of irrigation. The water available in the well, lake, and canal is lifting up the different method to in different regions for taking in the field. Cattle are human labor in use to these methods, so they are cheaper but less effective. The various traditional ways are most pulley system, chain pump, ducky, and Rohal lever system. Pump is commonly used for lifting water, diesel, biogas, electricity, and solar energy for the use of these pumps. Modern method of irrigation. Modern method of irrigation help us to use water economically. The main method used as follow. Sprinkling system. This system is more useful for an uneven land. Sufficient water is that. The perpendicular pipes having related nozzle on top are joined on the main pipeline. When water is allowed to flow through the main pipe under pressure, which is the help of the pump, is instance from the related this. Drip system. It is a system that water fall drop by drop just at the position of the root, so it is called a drop system. It is the best technology for watching fruits, plant, garden and trees. What is not waste at all to is boom in irrigation where available of water is poor. Weeds. It is seems carefully is weeds and fields so that some other plants grow along with them. In a field, many other undesirable plants may grow. So these so what the best time of removal of weeds is best before. Okay, this is done with the help of the kurfi. A seed drill is used to the proper weeks using certain chemicals called Vedic. These are separate on the field of the kill weeds. They do not damage the crops. Sparing of weedicides may affect the health of the farmer. So they should cover their nose and mouth with a piece of cloth during separating of these chemicals. Harvesting. The cutting of the crops after mature is called harvesting. In harvesting, crops are pulled out or cut down on the ground. Harvesting is either done manually by a stick or a machine called harvester. After harvesting the grain, the process is called threshing. This is carrying out the help of the machine called combine, which are the fact of combine. Are small holding of land or do not separate of grain and calf of wasting. Information. Harvest festival after 3 or 4 months of hard work, there comes the day of the harvest. The sign of golden field of standing crops landed and grain filled the year of farmer joy and sense of well-being. Their effort has borne fruits and it is time for them of the relax and enjoy a little. The period of harvest is thus of great joy and happiness in all part of India. Men and women celebrate it with great enthusiasm. Pongal, Baisakhi, Holi, Diwali are special festivals associated with harvesting season. Storage of food grain is an important task. It is crops grain are used kept in the longer time. These should be kept safe from moisture, insect, rats, and microorganisms. The fresh crops more moisture in the latency in harvesting grain are stored without drying. They may get spoiled or attacked by organisms. Hence, before storing the grains, firstly we have to prevent the attack by the insect, pests, bacteria, insect, pests, fungi, and bacteria. Farmers store grains in jute bags. However, large-scale storage of grains is done in the soil and granite to the protect. They are pets like rats and insects. Green neem leaves are used for storing. Summary. In the necessary to prepare soil by tilling and leaving pull and levering are used for this purpose. That's harvesting. Showing of the seeds and the properties, depth and distance give a seed. Good variety of seeds is sown after selecting the healthy seeds. Seed drill do sowing. Soil needs replacement and enrichment through the use of organic manure and fertilizer. Use of chemical fertilizer has increased additionally with the introductions of new crops varieties. Supply of water to crops at appropriate interval is called irrigation. Weeding involves removal of unwanted and uncultivated plants called weeds. Harvesting is the cutting of the mature crops manually or by machines. Separating of the grains is necessary to protect them from pests and microorganisms. Food is also obtained from animals from which animals are reared, that is called animal husbandry. That is all in the lesson. Keep learning